Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Logitech earbuds with your Android phone. So first you have to open the case of your Logitech earbuds and then click and hold this button until indicators starts blinking. There we go. Right now we can release that button, put it close to your phone and simply do not close this cover. We have to open the Play Store and type on the search pool. There we go. And we have to type Logitech and we have to get this application, the Logitech G Fits. So we have to install that application. Click open right now. Let's swipe up, click next, click no thanks and click to allow. So accept all of these permissions. Let's click to turn my Bluetooth on. Okay, if it takes too much time, I can recommend you to manually power on this Bluetooth because it looks like there is some kind of the bug. And this time, as you can see, our indicators not blinking anymore, so we have to repeat. Just click and hold this button one more time until they start blinking. And now just release. Okay, we have to just take them out of this case, it looks like, and we have to put them back like it was mentioned on this information. Okay, accept the pairing right now. Let's try to do this one more time. Okay, as you can see, right now after a few seconds we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.